Gumballs, 2 index cards, popsicle sticks, a ruler and an X-Acto knife, transparent plastic, and of course, a box. So right now, I just cut one flap from the box with my X-Acto knife. So you're just gonna get your ruler, and where it says 8, draw a line, and with your X-Acto knife, you're gonna cut across. So you're gonna mark 2 and 4 with the ruler, and then you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna mark it at 19 and cut it with your X-Acto knife. Now you're gonna put your ruler onto and make a line across it. And with your X-Acto knife, cut it. You're then gonna put your ruler on 4, get your marker, and line it. And cut it with an X-Acto knife right here. So you're then gonna get your ruler and measure 19 on another flap that I broke off from the box, and you're supposed to put a mark by your marker and cut it with your X-Acto knife, and you're supposed to have 1 square. Now you're gonna measure how much this part of the flap that you took off earlier, like that, is. So you're just gonna get your marker and mark it. There. So let me just mark it one more time. There, because that's where you're gonna be hot gluing these 2 onto and putting the thing in the middle. Now I'm putting hot glue on the thing, and make sure to measure where you should not put it. So just get your marker. Terrible, that audio thing. And now get your hot glue gun and then you're gonna put it on the thing. Now you're gonna put the fat piece into the middle, and I'm just gonna put some glue just for extra weight and help. And then, boom. I'm gonna cut out a piece that's 5 centimeters long and 2 centimeters tall, and you're just gonna glue it onto the end of the box. Now it should be glued on. So then you're supposed to cut out a piece that's 11 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide, and then you're supposed to glue it right here. As I see, I already did one. And then a longer piece on the back, like about 2 centimeters longer. So now you're supposed to cut out 3 rectangles and hot glue it, and you'll have this. supposed to cut your popsicle 3 centimeters long, 2 centimeters wide. Once you've cut the 2 popsicle sticks and then you cut smaller pieces, and then with the ends you tape it on and boom. Then you're gonna cut out a square. Then you're gonna get 2 popsicle sticks, and I broke them in half and I glued it down, and I got a long thing to go on the sides and like that. So I got a popsicle and put a piece of cardboard. Then I added another popsicle, and I put half of a popsicle and 2 things. I'm gonna put it right here. Then you're gonna connect this to here and here. I then glued mine together, and as you see, I have this here already. I got my 2 index cards and put them point to point and taped them inside and out. And like, you could put holes and you could color it if you want to, but I'm not. So I'm just gonna put it right there like that. And then we're gonna put glue onto it. Voila! Now all you're gonna do is gonna get some transparent plastic and put it over. I got another one, put tape on it, and then put it under. And remember to put a hole so the gumballs could go through. And then I just cut it out, some cardboard, just like 2 pieces, so this could go all the way to the bottom like that, and taped it because I ran out of glue. And then all I have to do is put gumballs in.